All right, so we're going to print out two different instances with different doors and seats for our car classes. So again, we can have class car that we're going to use here. We don't need, up here we have the engine size. We don't need a constant here, right? It's totally optional. We're never going to call on the speed thing here, or the engine size or whatever else. So we're just going to go right to def under init. I just have an extra space there just because it makes it more readable. And we're going to take self, doors, seats. We're going to set the seats default equal to 4. Right? Again, you don't have to do it this way, but it's just a way of doing it. And we'll say self.doors equals doors, and self.seats equals seats. Right? So we're going to make a Toyota equals car, and we're going to give it 2 doors and 2 seats. And we're going to make a Porsche, and we'll make that be a car with 4 and 4, right? So there's going to be different doors, different numbers of doors and seats on here, right? The seats will default to 4, so actually I could leave this off, and it should run just fine anyway. But we can then print, and we're going to do an F string, and we'll say Toyota seats. And then we're going to have Toyota, Toyota.seats and Toyota doors. We'll do Toyota.doors. Get rid of that. Cool. And then another line, we're going to print another F string, and we'll have Porsche seats. We'll have, and then I meant to put doors there. There you go. So even though I did not put the number of seats in there, it defaulted to 4, but when I put it in directly, it overrode it. Again, this is just how functions work. In this case, it's a method, but you understand what I'm saying. And then our attributes here, we can overwrite them by passing that in as parameters. And it spat that out just fine. Obviously, if yours looks a little bit different, that's totally fine. But again, the idea would be this is how you pass data into our class and populate it, and then you can overwrite it and change it so that you have different numbers of doors and seats. Cool. On to class methods.